it? What are you doing with all the sticks? You're gonna take them home? Whoa. Careful where you step. What do you got in the car? What are we taking home with us? Sticks?